Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe button, and also the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today, I'm going to be trying out another Rosalind gel polish kit. I will leave a 10% off code for you, linked down below. Thank you, Rosalind, for sending over this gel polish kit. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it really quick and show you guys what's inside. First, we do get the instructions, which show you how to apply and how to remove the gel polish. We also get a base coat, a top coat, a matte top coat, and also a nail primer, which I did appreciate. You also get 6 colors, which I will swatch on a piece of paper and give you guys a close-up. If you are new to my channel, today I will be showing you how to apply full cover nail tips using a base coat or a glue gel. So if you want to learn how to apply gel polish and full cover gel tips, then you want to stay tuned so you can see this quick and easy process of how I achieved this look today. As I mentioned, Rosalind did give me a 10% off code for you guys, so all of that information will be linked down below if you guys want to try out this super cute kit and also save you a few dollars as well. And I just would like to say happy Friday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and have had an amazing week. And if not, I do hope it gets better. After swatching the colors, here how they're looking, and I'm going to be using the 2 blues in the middle, and then I'm going to go in and size up my nail tips with these white full cover tips I got off of Amazon. I thought that they would look good with those neon colors. For nail prep, I did go in and clip down my natural nails. I did go ahead and refile them. I also pushed back my cuticles and also cut down any cuticles that needed to be removed. I also did buff the surface of my nails to remove any oils off my nails before going in. And I'm using a peel off base coat because I don't want these nails to last, and I do take them off for video purposes afterwards. If you did want your nails to last, you would simply go in with a dehydrator and a primer, and then you would go in with a regular base coat before applying your full cover nail tips. To apply my nail tips today, I will be using a 4-in-1 glue gel from Model 1s. And as you can see, I just apply a small amount to the cuticle area, and then I'm going to apply a thin layer to my natural nail. And when I push that full cover nail tip on my nail, I'm just going to make sure to watch for the glue gel spread, as you can see. And then I cure it into place. Once I do that for all of my nails, I'm going to then go in and wipe them down with some alcohol, and then I will also cut them down to my desired length. And when you're pushing down that nail, you do want to make sure you're not pushing too hard because you will get a lot of spillage. I did have just a little bit of spillage, which is why I just decided to wipe them down with some alcohol. I'm now going to go in and clip them down to my desired length. And then, as I mentioned, I'm going to use a nail drill first to go in and clean up my cuticles. And then I'm going to go in with my nail file again to just kind of do a little bit more of a cleanup job around the cuticle area, because you want to make sure that it's really, really nice and flush around that cuticle area so that they don't look like press-ons. So yes, I'm just going to go in and do that, and then I'll check back in. This is a super beginner friendly method to use. And I do have other more in-depth videos of how to do this method as well. So I will be sure to leave them linked. You can use anything from base coat, glue gel, or even like a solid glue gel to apply these type of nails or full cover tips. And it's all a really easy process. So as I said, if you guys want to check out some of the other videos, I will leave them linked in the cards. Now I am taking my Melody Susie E-file and I'm going in with a cuticle ball bit, and I'm just going to go around that cuticle area as I mentioned and just clean it up and make sure it looks nice and crisp. I then did go in with my 8080 Panna Grit nail file, and I also did go around that cuticle area a little bit more just to make sure it was nice and flush. After filing and reshaping and buffing, here's how the nails are looking. I'm going to go in and wipe them down again once more with alcohol just to make sure that I have all of the dust off. You can also go ahead and wash your hands with some soap and water to remove that dust as well. I'm going to go in with the base coat that came in this kit and apply that first, and then I'm going to be using that light blue and dark blue as I mentioned before to go in and start my gel polish application. And when you're using gel, base coat, top coat, anything, you do want to make sure you're curing after you use it before going in with your polish. So I did cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with my light blue and my dark blue. I'm going to use that light blue on my pinky and my index finger. I believe I did do 3 layers all together, and I just did that because, as I mentioned, these were kind of a neon color, and with the white nail tips, I feel like it brought the color out, but I did want to build it up to make sure that you could get the full pigment of them and you cannot see that white nail underneath. As I mentioned, I did go in with 3 layers, and after each layer I did make sure to cure. You do want to make sure you're curing in between every layer that you're using. If you're new here, and if you're not already, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Now I'm going in with my second coat of the light blue. I am only going to show the 2, but I did do 3 all together. Once I got all of my layers down, I did cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp. Now I'm going to go in with the dark blue or the royal blue color. And I did apply that to my thumb and ring finger. I did do 3 layers of that as well, but I am only going to show the 2. After I do get my layers down, I am going to cure that for 60 seconds as well before moving on to the next step. You do want to make sure you're cleaning up around that cuticle area and on your side walls. Before you cure, you do not want to cure that gel polish onto your skin. I'm now going in with my second coat of the dark blue color for both of my nails. For the next step, I am going to do a half and half on my middle finger. So I'm going to use the dark blue on one side and the light blue on the other side. I did make sure to have a cleanup brush so I can go ahead and clean up my line and make sure that it was nice and even. And I did do 3 coats of the dark blue and 3 coats of the light blue, and I cured in between each coat. Once I get all of my coats, I cured it, and here's how the nails are looking. And then I'm going to go in with this white liner gel, and I'm going to do kind of like the candy cane effect on my ring finger. And while the gel is still wet, before I cure it in my lamp, I'm going to go over it with some fine white glitter, and I'm just going to pour it over the candy cane to give it that glitter textured look. And then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then once I pull it out of the lamp, I did go in with my dusting brush and just dust off that excess glitter. My phone did run out of storage space, so you'll only see me do the lines. You won't see me pour the glitter over them, but it is a really simple process. Once I applied my lines, I did not cure it yet. I poured the glitter right onto it while it was still wet. That helps the glitter stick to them. You can also do it like with acrylic. So I will go ahead and pour the glitter on it, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp. Once I take it out of the lamp, I will use a brush to go ahead and dust off all of the glitter. And these lines were really easy to do. I'm a person who likes to use nail stickers because I cannot really draw at all, but these were really simple to do. And then just having that cleanup brush just helps you get the lines more straight and have them looking more nice and neat. So I definitely say give this a try, even if you're a person who don't do nail art or feel like you can't draw, because I'm the same. But stuff like this is really simple to do. And then just always having that cleanup brush just comes in handy. Once I get my lines down, I don't cure. I'm going to go in with this glitter right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour it over my lines, then cure it. Once I take my hand out of the lamp, I'm going to go ahead and dust off the extra glitter, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to go in and add some 5B stickers to my remaining nails. My camera did cut off, but I did end up adding these 5B stickers, and I also added a few rhinestones to my middle finger along that split, and then also around the cuticle area on my pinky nail. I did top coat all of the nails in the end except for the ring finger. And you can also top coat them before you go in with the stickers. I just kind of forgot, so I did top coat them in the end. And that was all for this set. I am going to go in with some cuticle oil, you guys. And I want you guys to let me know what you think of this set down below, if you like it, and which nail is your favorite. I think in the end, my favorite was the middle finger, which you guys will see. Make sure to check the description box down below for all of the information and all of the links for everything used today, and also the 10% off code for this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I did apply my top coat off camera. Now I'm going in with my cuticle oil, and that will be all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below, if you would wear this set and which nail is your favorite. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.